Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your website with DreamHost, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your website to DreamHost, first, log into your current web hosting account. Next, back up your website files including HTML, CSS, images, and any scripts. Also, create a backup of your website database if your site uses one. Now, log into your DreamHost account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. Select Domains from the top navigation menu. Then, click on Register a new domain or add a domain. Enter the domain name you'd like to transfer and fill in the necessary details. After that, locate the existing domain settings in your old host's control panel. Unlock your domain to allow for the transfer process. Request an authorization code from your current registrar. Once you have that code, return to your DreamHost account. Input the authorization code in the designated field during the domain transfer setup. Next, review the transfer information and confirm the process. Now, initiate the domain transfer by following the prompts. While the domain transfer is processing, upload your website files to DreamHost. You can do this via FTP or the DreamHost web panel. If your site uses a database, create a new database in your DreamHost account. Then, import your database backup into the newly created database. Now, ensure that your domain name points to DreamHost by updating your DNS settings. Wait for DNS changes to propagate, which can take up to 48 hours. Once completed, check your website to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter issues, access DreamHost support for assistance. Finally, update any necessary settings in your DreamHost account for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.